Hi everyone, in this video I will be unboxing the SIRUI Pocket Stabilizer, which I received as part of my pledge to their Kickstarter campaign. I received it yesterday. So here I have the stabilizer. It's a stabilizer for phones, and we can see the box. It has plenty of information. Eliminate shaking to prevent blurring, to help you capture clearer and stable image in your mobile phone, easily switch from horizontal to vertical shooting. It includes it can be connected to accessories. It can also be used to connect to plug it in a tripod. It has an internal battery which helps with the stabilizer and so on. So I received it yesterday, as I mentioned, and today I will be unboxing it. So let's start. Alright, so here's the box. Again, without the paper wrapping. Let's take off this tape over the top. There we go. Alright, so now let's open it. Alright, there's nothing more in this box, so let's put it on the side. First thing we will notice is the operation guide. It's a operation guidance. It's operation guide. It says how to use it. It seems to be taped or glued to here. So let's see. Yeah, but it should be taken off to remove the stabilizer. Yeah, there we go, I got it. Perfect. So it is like a cover to protect the stabilizer, so that's why it was glued there. It's actually glue or tape. It feels like glue, so it's mostly glue. It says how to take because it has some buttons and indicator lights to charge it and so on. It says how to use this stabilizer. This is my first phone stabilizer, so yeah, it's really nice to have it. And this is the stabilizer. This is it. So here's the power button. Oh, nice. It seems to vibrate. Okay, turn it up. And here's the buttons, and here are some LEDs operation, the micro USB slot to charge it, and the tripod mount so that it can be used on tripods. So here's a carrying bag for you to carry it around with you when you go outside and travel. Here's the carrying bag. This is trash, and here again are micro USB cable. This seems to be to adjust the tripod mount, I believe, or something. I'm not sure for what this could be, but the instructions should say something. Quality assurance card. It says it passed on November 11, 2018. And here again are more instructions for it, in Chinese and in English. Yeah. So that's basically it. This is what comes with the SIRUI Pocket Stabilizer, which I received from Kickstarter, my first phone stabilizer. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like this video, comment on it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.